B&B, Bella the Boar, B&G better than the mall, never been the floor. Pretty kitty, manicured claws, silly, never been a drawer. When the purr, Betty, when the pour, cause a stir when she on the floor. Giving in the oil, champagne always on the pour. Some happy, others can applaud. Bum bitches like you, but of course, mermaid coming on the shore. Take the prince crown and
Okay, hey y'all, Kayla's here, and I got a new video for you guys. So I just made this unit. Yes, I look crazy, I know. Like I literally just finished it 2 seconds ago. I just cut the wig cap from the closure. So I got this wig made by somebody, the person that I bought the hair from. I don't even remember who I bought the hair from. Like this was a while ago, so I don't remember who I got the hair from. But the girl who made the wig, she said she'd make the wig for free. And I got the wig. It was nice at first, but then it kind of started like the thread was loosening and I didn't really like the way that it was constructed. So I took it apart a minute ago and I'm just now getting back around to, you know, reassembling it. So now that we're here, we're just gonna I'm just gonna show y'all how to slay it, or how I slay it. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so right here, this is probably as simple as it gets. I'm just combing out my hair because I don't have a blow dryer, so the only other option I have is to comb it out. And I didn't decide to wet my hair until it started hurting, so I just used some Cantu spray that I found lying in my bathroom and just sprayed my hair. Alright y'all, I'm back. I got my braids. This is the best I can really do. So I don't have no hair and my mom threw it on blow dryers. And I pretty much did everything in the front, but my little sister did all of this. So here I'm just going in with the wig cap that I bought. And then I'm going to use Gossipy gel. I'm using the yellow one and I'm putting on 2 coats so that it will stick better. since I thought that it wasn't secure, I just added a little bit more, got to be glue, and I just used a comb and put it there because I felt like my edges were showing too much, and I didn't like that, so I just added more glue. I'm gonna do the same on this side. So I'm putting on this head tie and I'm gonna leave it for, well, actually I intended on leaving it for 10 minutes and then it just ended up being longer than 10 minutes. So it's whatever you want it to be, go with the flow. The kind of look that I was going for was like almost bone straight. So after I took off my head tie and laid down the wig a little bit, I decided to go in with the flat iron. And I believe that I put the flat iron on, I want to say 325. Y'all, so I had to turn my camera off real quick, but look at this. I flat iron. Okay. Flat iron. Okay. Flat iron. Flat iron is coming through. Flat iron, yeah. Oh, yes. Yes, yes. Yeah. I'm gonna use my hand because I'm gonna get it. Y'all would not believe what just happened. Ooh. But tell me why my flat iron broke in half. Anyways, I'm gonna see how when I finish flat ironing my hair. So, and since my flat iron broke, but I found another flat iron, y'all. So I just fixed this side a little bit, like re-flat ironed the top, because it's still like this, but it was a little like high, and this side was like more put it on my head. But yeah, this is the finished look. Like this video, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more. I'm gonna just put this back on my head. Oh, okay. Just put this back on like this. Boom. Boom. Peace out, suckers.